With time left back, you know.
Right. Say the Jamaican motto 7 times in 7 seconds. Go.
Before God and all mankind, I pitch. Motto? Oh, that.
What's up, MC girl? You know the good girl, Abby?
And the boy Capo there.
Back with another blazing video. So guys, as you can see by the title,
Today, we'll be doing
7-second challenge. So guys, if you don't know how the game I play, basically how it works, you know, each person can give each person a look at task and they have to do it within the space of 7 seconds. And if them fail to do so, no consequence not go on.
No, no, go on.
Yeah, we don't have time for that. Matter so.
You've been in the for yesterday.
What?
Okay, no.
Yeah, no consequence that go on, guys. So if you're new, please subscribe.
What you going anyways?
Man, you learn some alone.
It's not bad.
Where you doing some?
So you take them up 5 and I'll use them.
Put on some. Why you troubling my props? Why are you troubling my
Because I'm making a bill for 2 of us, so when you tell me what to plan then.
Me, I give myself 7 seconds, so more. Yeah, give me what? Why you touch my things then?
You confuse me.
That's why you put it down.
Come here 5 minutes.
Put it down.
I don't understand.
You don't understand because you're supposed to wait until the video starts.
Yeah, but you never tell me what about the video.
I should not tell you about the video because it's my props, it's my 7-second thing. So why should I tell you what's up?
Oh.
So can you please put on the thing, please?
Yeah, man.
But now what the hell is like this with a good girl answer?
And go subscribe to Capo's TV as you all know already.
Remember follow up on the gram. Right down your so. So now we're talking. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, so we're gonna rock paper scissors. We'll see who go first. Come on there phone and my youth and come.
Ready?
Rock paper scissors.
No, come on the camera. Yeah.
Alright.
Who will not go? Maybe ready. Come.
My
Don't be
youth.
the camera ready.
You're looking at the
Left
camera.
the camera, maybe walk now while I go. Come.
Yo, stop thief.
Ready.
Nah, it got you.
Blind eyes, come ready. Ready?
Stop the thief.
I'm ready, Navi.
Rock paper scissors.
Woo! Yeah, go first. Bite your tongue and say A to ABC. Ready, set, go.
Take 4 shots of Hennessy in 7 seconds.
Oh, that should bring them for fuck you this. You think you can come try and trick me and drop me off in there? I'm gonna make sure go find something to lock up by myself, you know.
1, 2, go. It's 7 seconds. Lock you down. Your time up.
Night, people. Bomba!
Okay.
What was that thing say? Then it's that nice thing I was doing last time. I don't think about nice thing, you know.
Okay. Your time.
I'm on camera there. Okay, do man. Alright. Count in Spanish. Backwards, from 1 to 10. No, look at it.
Oh. That's
No,
it.
backwards.
Do
From
it back yet.
Wait, think about it. Now you get 7 seconds. Let's get some think about it first. Ready, go.
9, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
You don't even have time, you're cheating me.
That time, man, but you
You're cheating me. Name 7 names, begin with T, go.
Thomas, Travis, Taiwan, Tyrone, and Tiffany.
It's number 5.
That's 6 that. Most people go.
7.
Bomba. So Great Britain.
You know something that know not educational.
Great Britain.
In school kids.
Great Britain is made up of England, Scotland, and who?
Eh?
Great Britain is made up of England, Scotland, and
After me not know, New Zealand.
Wales, Abby.
Eh?
Wales.
What do you know? In the ocean? Coffee in the ocean.
One place name, sir.
After me don't know nothing about that.
Yeah, I'm so short ever. So short ever. Yeah. I be fool.
Spell Mississippi backwards, go.
IPPI SSI. Where I go do? Let me see.
IPPI SSI.
Bomba!
God.
Oh shoot! Next one now. You have 7 seconds. For list 7 kitchen utensils. Go.
Spoon, fork, knife, spatula, pot, what you call that? Plate or cup.
Wrong.
What?
I'm joking. I get the right man, but my time I never started. I think it's still make I actually finish with this exam when we says for you.
Say the last 15 letters of the alphabet backwards. Come on, faithful. Yeah.
Z. Why? Z. Hey, that. I didn't have it. That's impossible. I like some people can do it.
Spencer can't do it in a couple of minutes.
You have 7 seconds to list 7 hotels in Jamaica. Don't start yet, I'm getting about it first.
Oh, I know hotels in Jamaica.
Hotel.
To I want to go.
You know matter, I must know somewhere never go. It's ready. Yeah, I sure tell you go. But first hotel. Ready. So go.
Mila Black Ocean Spring, Grand Palladium, Rue, Rio Grande,
Right hand.
I don't know tell me by now. I don't know tell me by. No.
Right time.
Say the Jamaican motto 7 times in 7 seconds. Go.
Before God and all mankind, I pitch. Motto. Oh, tap anyone people. Oh, tap anyone people. Oh, tap anyone. Oh, tap anyone people. Oh, tap anyone. It's a moment, isn't it? Put your hands there.
Yo, stop touching my baby and a friend. Stay in school, kids.
But that's
you
no
see?
friends, you know.
But ask the boy motto him got in a pledge. You see why you got to listen carefully now. You got to listen carefully.
Oh, good one, Abby, good one. Come, can I laugh for this time, you know? We take care of it on it. You have 7 seconds to name 7 European countries. Go. Alright, let me think about it. Think about it. Can't be that I go to now move for now.
Capo, you have to tell me about European country. Only thing I can say is Europe. I don't know nothing about European country. I didn't even know Europe is have more things in there. That's why if I stay in a school, I don't study these things. Therefore, I can't answer them.
Europe.
My knowledge is lack right there, so.
Lack.
My lack of knowledge right there, so.
Come here and you try. So I get one. I get 2 hard one, right? You're not going to know. Norway, you're not going to Norway, you're not going to know Denmark, right? So the 2 again, I have 5 for this now in 7 seconds. So on the mark, set, go.
England.
Yeah.
England one?
Take it for that one.
Jamaica.
Yeah.
St. Lucia.
Yeah.
Bahamas.
Yeah. Be a fool, shall I say.
So what you say, yeah, then, fat?
Kind of fun. Hype you up for no reason at all. You come, man.
Alright. This is one question now. If 11 comes before 7, what is 20? Go. If 11 comes before 7, what is 20?
What? 20 is what? What am I telling you? 11 can't come before 7.
If 11 comes before 7, what is 20?
20 is what? What?
8.
What?
Alright, guys, all these now is the local community so you know, if 11 come, if I know level, it will be 11 a.m. And then it's 12 o'clock now, you come go to 7. So one time you go repeat now, so, you know, 1 o'clock at 13. 13, you know, 2 o'clock at 14, 3 o'clock at 15, you know,
no one. Yeah, man. I can't drink no, because I look like I can't drink no. So we know wait about like about whatever. So, name 5 Jamaican national heroes.
Marcus.
Set, go.
Marcus Garvey, Nadia Tomorrow, Paul Bogle, Sam Sharp, I'm George William Gado.
With time, let's back it up.
Right.
You got school go do that?
I went to school.
Social studies are your thing.
I don't know.
Yeah, man, I your thing. That's social studies. Alright.
In 7 seconds, tip by your toe and do 2 ballerina spin.
Spin.
Spin till 7 seconds up. Yeah, girl.
Hey, yo, stop that.
Yeah, girl. Alright, time up.
Yo, me have tips to rat. Alright, next one. You got 7 seconds to draw 7, not number but the animal. Go. You feel by me, man? Coupon 7. Take it, want it? Tell you got one girl.
You got 7 seconds to touch, to do 2 laps in it, so touching all of the couch then.
Go around that circle.
Go around that circle, go. Yeah, give my time.
Alright, my first now, so it's not gonna be my guidance.
Come to my you right time.
Now my phone drop off and gone. You have 7 seconds for list the date of birth. But me go put time on it because it's not gonna happen now. After 3 siblings them by your mother's side. Go.
Date of birth? Me don't know none of them. October 23rd, September 10, May 12, May 23.
Date of birth mean the year 2 in a bit. Ready again, give me the year 2. Me know them, I know them.
Me don't know the year.
On the mark, set, go.
82, 96, 92, 84.
84? Nobody about 84.
Oh, somebody born 84 though. Somebody sibling.
That's what you know. Yeah, about 92. Papa.
Papa would have fallen under that. What's that? Papa would have fallen under that.
Alright, then you're not bad, you're not bad. You need to actually get a go at him. You're supposed to be right, man.
Alright, so then guys, this is the last one. So right now, Capo.
What that now?
Capo, I'm gonna use
Afraid of what?
them building blocks some here.
And do what?
And do something, but I'm gonna place them out first.
Oh, shoot.
Create 3 letters in 7 seconds.
3 letters?
X, Y, Z, go.
What?
I never forget good.
Fuck, what is Y again?
Time up. What are you?
How I go?
Okay, idiot.
X, Y, Z, did it? Mo get it?
What is this?
Z, did it?
So, idiot, all you have to do, boop, boop.
Oh, and then X that, and Y now.
And Z,
So they never take good in, man?
boop, boop.
Me get the right man and X, Y too.
No, sir. Alright, guys, get off the last one. What the last one? Yeah, give it.
Mo create a new word and define it. You me tell you? You go create and make up a word right now and get a meaning. Think about it now, I start telling it. I give up seconds for get a look warm up with it. Think about a word. Think about make up a word. Ready? Set, go.
Splired. The act of killing someone's heart deep down inside. Spliers.
It says plier, then it says pliers. What word?
Spliers.
Alrighty. Whatever that's supposed to mean.
Yes, I make up a word. I
give it a meaning, yeah.
I give it a meaning. And I gave it a meaning.
They did in 7 seconds too. So now I congratulate you for that.
Yeah, so guys, this is the end of the challenge. I hope you guys enjoy. If you enjoy, make sure you hit that button.
Subscribe to the page if you're new.
You guys, I was like, it's a good girl. I was like,
And go subscribe to Capo's TV before you get a black cross on the face. Just kidding.
Remember.
No black cross on the face, but go subscribe.
Remember, follow for the gram down below.
Yeah.
So until then,
AC Gang is
out. Bye.